Not Robert. Can you show me 3-7? Check with the fire department. I believe there's ammunition cooking off inside the residence.
9R18, you're clear. Ammo possibly in the residence.
Small 27. You just devised a squad for a fire. Speaking to the witness, there were 2 people inside the home at the time.
Alright.
You know if they had ammunition, a lot of ammunition or something? You know what that is?
I have no idea if that's this ammunition going on.
Yeah, you might watch out because I had I think a round or something hit my car when I pulled up.
That's
So
what something just happened to mine.
it's hitting this way. Well, be careful if you're going to get in there, sir. I'd get out of the way. We're going to figure it out.
I don't see how if it blew up.
Hey, he says that's ammunition. Hey, the neighbor says that's a bunch of ammo. I had a round hit my car when I pulled up. That's a bunch of ammo.
Okay.